at nandito naman ako para sa isa na namang episode ng Emote Song for Today. At ang aking Emote Song for today ay Crazy Little Thing Called Love by Queen. At yung Queen na yan, isa yan sa favorite ko Pero, sinashare ko lang naman sa inyo. Pero, kahit favorite ko sila, wala akong CD nila. Ngayon, nasa Pilipinas, kay Tito Francis. Pero, ang sample ko sa inyo ngayon ay a cappella na lang. Okay, fine, whatever. Yeah. Eto na. This thing I call love, I can't handle it. This thing I call love, I must get round to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip, get on my track, take a back seat, hitchhike, take a long ride on my motorbike. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. At yun lang aking sample ng Crazy Little Thing Called Love ng Queen. At see you again para sa isa namang episode ng Emote Song for Today. Ciao!